For the special treatment of this painting, we are going to place some electric diamonds and use this on her headdress. So we will place it on this portion right over here. That's gonna go there, and then we have also some that we can probably place a little bit in the background just to give it a little bit of sparkle. And then we also have some pink quartz that we are going to place on just these flowers. So we're just going to add a little bit of sparkle onto these flowers. And finally, we've got some Morganite that we are going to sprinkle on these pink blooms right over here. So the pink quartz and the Morganite are very, very similar, but the Morganite has sort of like a purple blue sheen at times, whereas the pink quartz is really just more like a light pink. So we'll do that for this painting, and the rest we can add in the background just to give it a little bit more sparkle. For example, you have the option to add some Morganite in this section as well, and some pink quartz over there in the light spot.